It's with great pleasure that I enter in your house right now. Yeah, we are back to a time in which we can carry on the teaching. So it's the second part. Yeah, it's the part two. The first one was the previous one, and now we are going to we are on the second part. But first of all, we're gonna pray together. But the title that we are going to take a look for today is "You have been completely deceived, but these 10 commandments of the Jews are destroyed." Yeah, because that you were observing this, so I'm gonna prove you that you were being deceived. First of all, at first you were in a false hope, and now you were deceived. So it's up to you now to think ahead. But it's all about love to save your spirit. But I haven't come to save your flesh because it is something which will get back to dust. But the one which will not get back to dust, but it will be sent to hell if it doesn't repent, which is your spirit. So that is what I am gonna save. So Elia is gonna save Ziadiha Elia, the ambassador of Yahushua, and beloved dad YAHVAH. Okay, so we are back to the moment in which we can carry on the teaching. The teaching which is shown on the screen is the number 18. So yeah, let's adjust this time because the technician has made a remark like it is not straight. Yeah. So the teaching that we are going to take a look for today is, I'm gonna make a summary, a short summary of the previous teaching. So I'm gonna make it on the board. So we're gonna follow it accordingly. So here, the law of Moshe, the Ten Commandments and the law of Moshe, there was uh, a command, first of all,